Planning your NICET Electrical Power Testing exam? Here's what you need to know about the 2026 update. First, understand that NICET Electrical Power Testing certification is cumulative. Unlike some exams where you only take the test for your target level, here you must pass every exam below it as well. To get certified at level 3, for example, you must pass the level 1, 2, and 3 exams. This impacts your budget for fees and your study schedule. Before you start, map out the full path to your goal level, accounting for each required exam, its cost, and its content. The biggest news for 2026 is a major exam update. October 4th, 2026 is the final day to test on the current content outline for levels 1 through 3. Starting October 5th, updated exams will launch. This means your study plan depends entirely on your test date. If you're testing before the cutover, use the current materials. If you're testing after, you must use the new content outlines from NICET's official site. The Level 4 exam remains on its current version until 2027. Each NICET level has a distinct focus. Level 1 is heavily centered on safety and fundamentals. Expect questions on NFPA 70E, lockout-tagout procedures, and basic equipment identification. It's a test of safety vocabulary and field awareness. Level 2 dives deeper into practical field testing. Here, your knowledge of procedures for transformers, breakers, and switchgear is critical. You'll need to know which test to use, when to use it, and how to interpret the results for equipment acceptance or continued service. At levels 3 and 4, the exam focus shifts from following procedures to exercising independent judgment and leadership. These higher levels test your ability to plan work, troubleshoot complex issues, supervise crews, and interpret reports. For Level 4, the requirements are even more rigorous, demanding 10 years of experience, a personal recommendation, and a major project write-up. This write-up isn't just paperwork. It's a core part of demonstrating your senior technical responsibility and expertise in the field. A common mistake is treating the EPT exam like a trivia test. Success requires connecting standards to real-world actions. Questions often present a scenario and ask what a technician should do next. Instead of just memorizing facts, read the content outline like a risk map. Identify the verbs. Words like determine, evaluate, or interpret signal that you'll need to apply a rule to a field condition. Focus on these judgment-based tasks, especially those that combine multiple skills. Finally, don't neglect the logistics. NICET exams are computer-based tests delivered through Pearson VUE. Before exam day, check NICET's current policies on which reference materials you can bring. Don't rely on old information. Confirm your application is complete, as a passing score alone doesn't grant certification without the required experience and performance measures. Use mixed, timed practice tests in your final weeks to simulate the real exam, where questions from different topics are blended together. This builds the recognition skills you'll need. Ready to build your study plan? This guide covers the details you need, from exam fees and question counts to a 10-week prep map. Visit the full article on openexamprep.com to see the complete breakdown and use our free NICET Electrical Power Testing practice questions to find and fix your weak spots before test day.